Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is a short one featuring a matte gray smoky eyeshadow that suits all eye colors. It's super easy, you will learn it in just 3 minutes. It's very practical for special occasions and perfect for beginners. So if you want to give it a try, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I use a fluffy brush and some gray eyeshadow as my base. Applying this eyeshadow is super easy. I just add it to my eyelids gradually until I'm happy with the color. With this brush called the crease brush, I blend it in a sweeping motion to make sure there aren't any harsh lines. You can use any eyeshadow from your favorite palette. There is no need for a specific color for this eye makeup look. Next, I grab a smaller but still fluffy brush and apply the same gray eyeshadow to my lower lash line, blending it carefully. Next, I grab a tapered brush and pick up some black eyeshadow to apply to my waterline. It might seem a bit weird, but I usually do this with eyeshadow and haven't had any issues. If you have watery or sensitive eyes, I recommend using an eyeliner pencil at this stage. Then I switch to a fluffier brush and blend the black eyeshadow along my lower lash line using a sweeping motion. Since our base shadow is gray, combining it with the black creates a really awesome color. I keep adding and blending until I'm happy with the intensity. Then I use a sponge in this area to ensure the eyeshadow hasn't smudged. With the same brush, I apply the black eyeshadow to my eyelid close to the lash line and blend it well in that area. Gradually extending the shadow upwards on my eyelid. Make sure to start applying the black eyeshadow from this point and take your time blending. I noticed that I lost a bit of the gray eyeshadow, so I add more shadow again. I want the eyeshadow on my eyelid close to the lash line to be a bit darker, so I add more black eyeshadow to enhance the look and make it stand out more. The eyeshadow process is done, so let's move on to the eyeliner. I usually prefer to use gel eyeliner and extend the line to the middle of my eyelid. Since my eyes are slightly puffy, this style suits me better. You can extend it to the inner corner of your eyelid based on your preference. Well, to finish the look, you can use mascara or false eyelashes. Thank you for watching this video until the end. This smoky eye makeup is very attractive. You should definitely give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below. If you're interested in makeup, you can check out my channel. I upload tutorial videos every week, so to make sure you don't miss any videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.